No. Okay, guys. So what I'm gonna be doing is we're gonna be dropping this thing right here. Oh dang, I'm on my socks right now. We're gonna be dropping this thing right here onto that TV right there. And my sister's gonna be recording down there. So yeah. Don't mind the stuff on the roof. I don't know what that is. Bye. Okay guys, I got the angle. We're gonna be dropping it on that TV. Put it down there. Alright, the covers.
Wait.
Take good cover.
I'm trying.
Recording good?
Wait, I'm not done.
Recording the TV?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, pause it. Okay guys, we just dropped down here. And oh my god. You can see that thing right there. It went straight through this. Hold on. Let me get something.
Yeah.
Get something to break it with more. Okay, this brick.
Oh
Okay.
jeez. You're
And
gonna break it more.
no, I'm just smacking a little bit. So it did. Take all that. Now you guys can see it, the freaking metal layer right there and all that. So
yeah, guys, that was
Jesus.
freaking. Oh, I thought.
Yeah, so it went all the way freaking through it. And yeah, like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video, and bye.